Skywatchers around the world are settling in for a long and potentially unforgettable night as the Leonid Meteor shower reaches its annual peak, bringing with it a mix of scientific curiosity, excitement, and a touch of celestial nostalgia. The 2025 edition of the shower arrives under some of the most favorable sky conditions seen in recent years, with a slim crescent moon leaving the night unusually dark and giving even faint meteors a chance to shine. The Leonids, famous for their speed and brilliance, originate from the dusty trail of Comet 55P out Tempel, Tuttle. Every November, Earth crosses the comet's orbital path, slamming into clouds of ancient debris that have drifted through space for centuries. As these particles hit the atmosphere, they burn up in bright flashes that can streak across the entire sky in a fraction of a second. Because they travel faster than almost any other annual meteor shower, Leonid meteors often leave glowing trains that persist long after the meteor itself has vanished. Astronomers expect a steady stream of 10 to 15 meteors per hour beneath dark skies, although they emphasize that meteor showers can change in intensity from moment to moment. The Leonids are well known for unpredictability, not the violent meteor storms of the past, which were tied to much denser dust trails, but sudden, brief increases that can momentarily double or triple the meteor count. For viewers, this means that one quiet minute could easily be followed by a dramatic burst of activity. The best viewing hours arrive after midnight, when the constellation Leo rises higher in the sky. Meteors will appear to radiate from Leo, but experts note that the most spectacular streaks often occur well away from a radiant, stretching across wide sections of the sky. With the moon low and dim, many faint meteors that would normally be drowned out by moonlight will be visible, making tonight a rare visual treat for both seasoned stargazers and first-time observers. Across the world, astronomy clubs and local communities are organizing viewing events, while countless individuals plan to set up lawn chairs, blankets, and cameras in parks, fields, and quiet rural roads. Photographers are preparing long-exposure setups, hoping to capture the dramatic, swift arcs that make the Leonids so visually striking. Families are planning late-night gatherings, with children experiencing the wonder of their first meteor shower, while hobbyists track the timing and frequency of each streak for their observation logs. For scientists, the Leonids remain an important window into the evolving structure of cometary debris. Each meteor that appears tonight is a real-time clue about how Tempel Tuttle's dust stream spreads and thins as decades pass. Researchers use patterns in meteor brightness and density to refine models that predict the future behavior of the shower, especially ahead of years when the comet returns closer to Earth. Yet for most viewers, tonight is less about data and more about connection, to the sky, to tradition, and to the sense of wonder that comes from watching pieces of ancient cosmic dust flare into light. On an ordinary night, people rarely look up for long, but the Leonids encourage a pause, a breath, and a moment of shared or under sky that has captivated humanity for thousands of years. As the hours stretch toward dawn, meteor watchers are settling in with warm drinks, cameras, and hope for clear skies, hope for an unexpected burst of activity, and hope for one perfect fireball that lights up the darkness. Whether the night brings a gentle sprinkle of meteors or a surprising flurry, the Leonid Meteor shower of 2025 is set to offer a reminder how extraordinary the ordinary night sky can become when Earth crosses paths with the remnants of a wandering comet.